Hi there, this is Christy, and if you're looking for some really good ideas of things to sell on Etsy, here's one I can help you with because I did some research this past weekend, and I found these bestseller dinosaur prints, and as you can see right here, it has two really significant things that you want to look at to see what's selling and what to so you could sell something similar, model after it, not copy. And right here, here's the other indication. Over 20 people have this in their carts right now. So I this weekend went into a graphic site and I created this set of dinosaur prints, and they're 8 by 10, and they actually turned out to be 12 different variations, but these are the main dinosaurs right here. I think they're pretty cute. And I changed the background in some, added elements in some, but those are the four main prints, but you'll actually get 12 inside of Canva, and you can edit them, or you can use them as is and pop them onto your Etsy shop. See, if you did a little pic like this, like I did in Canva, you can display all of your wall art prints. And 8 by 10 are really popular with people. They want to, decorate their children's nursery or their little girl's room or little boy's room. Dinosaurs are huge on Etsy. So I'm going to leave a link in the description here for my Shopify store. You can actually buy these. PLR means you have private label rights, meaning you can resell them. You just can't resell them to resell them. But you can resell them anywhere you like, just like they are. I haven't had time yet to load them to Etsy, so you could actually be the first person to do that if you so choose. And they're on sale right now for $17. You get, actually, it turned out to be 12 total, but these are the four main prints. And then I did some like this with just a clear background, and then I added some with color. And you can either use them as is, again, or you can edit them and change the background if you like, and then pop them into your Etsy shop. And as you can see from this listing right here, a set of 4 dinosaur prints is selling really well. You can actually use some of these same keywords for your SEO. And let's do another quick search, dinosaur prints. Right here, let's see. Here's some more. Right here, they're very popular on Etsy. Dinosaur wall print, dinosaur print collection of 4, set of 6. These are cute too, baby dinosaur prints. I wouldn't use any trademark names. There's some right there, toddler wall art. Those are all great keywords for your listing. Here's one right here. And you can play around with the price to see, which one converts. I would start low. When you get a sale, it'll put you up in Etsy search engine. So I would start low and then gradually increase the price once they start selling. So anyway, there they are. They're already done for you. They're only $17 for a set of 12 different variations of these 4 dinosaurs for your Etsy shop and or your blog. You can sell it right on there. It's already done for you. I hope that helps. I think it's awesome to have done for you materials. This is Christy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.